Hello everyone, today we'll be making the Assamese style fish curry with ridge gourd. So in a wok I've taken 2 tablespoons of mustard oil. I added panch foron onto the hot oil. The panch foron is a mixture of 5 whole spices which I'll mention in the description. Add sliced onion. After frying the onion for about 1 minute, add 1 tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste. Mixed up well. Now add the chopped tomatoes. Add salt for seasoning and half a teaspoon of turmeric. Mix it up well and let the tomatoes soften. When the tomatoes are soft, add half a teaspoon of cumin and coriander powder each. Now add the chopped potatoes and the chopped ridge gourd. Fry all of it for about 1 to 2 minutes. Now add hot water for the curry. When it comes to a boil, it is then that we add the fish pieces. I have already fried the fish by coating them with salt and turmeric. So I add the fried fishes onto the curry. Cover it and let it cook for about 5 to 7 minutes. Check if the ridge gourd and the potatoes are cooked. And so here you go, your Assamese style fish curry is ready. Hope you liked it. Thank you.